Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video, we'll be talking about one-to-one functions and why they're generally important for the mathematical students. So before we hop into the video, leave a like on this video and comment down below any more topics you guys want me to cover. So let's hop right into it. So in a previous video, we talked about a function, and we defined functions as a relation with unique inputs for every input. So every one value of x, there's a unique output. So meaning there's one x for one y. So no two graphically that means there's no two values for the value on the function, as we see here, and it passes the vertical line test. And we also said graphically it passes the vertical line test, where if we take our pencil and draw invisible vertical lines through every point on the function, it only touches one point, and to function it passes the test. The best way to show it is a line going through the origin. There's only one value for the value of x. All right, so there's only one input value for every one output value. Okay, but you guys are probably thinking, why is that important for the definition of a one-to-one function? Well, let's show this graphically. Okay, so taking that same line. Okay, sorry guys, you guys can't see that. So taking that whole line, let me draw that out real quick. Sorry guys for the horrible drawing. I normally have this done beforehand. Okay, so if we take a function, the easiest one being a line going to the origin. Okay, pretty much we say a one-to-one function if it passes the so pretty much if we have only one unique output, so a one-to-one function only means it has one output for every one input, and it's unique, of course. For every input, but also there is no value of y is repeated. Okay, so meaning, so what that means, so what this actually means is, so if we take a function, so look at so before we talk about the graph, if we just put in an input into the function f, we get out a value, but the values of the function are not the same. All right, so throughout the function, there's not going to be multiple values for x, for y, for different inputs of x. So like a parabola, if you guys, functions like this, a parabola have two output values with the same two output values of the same value, whereas a line, for example, doesn't. As you guys see here, there's only one value, and the easiest way to determine it is the horizontal line test. So the horizontal line test says, okay, well, if we take the pen, and we know the function is a function, and the horizontal line goes through 1 point, well, then there's a function, and then it's a one-to-one function. Sorry about that, guys. It's a one-to-one function. Now, why are one-to-one functions are really powerful, and they allow us to define they allow us to explore deeper into functions. All right. They allow us to go into inverse functions. Alright. We're allowed to go in, so it tells us, okay, so these one-to-one functions allow us to say, okay, these functions could have mirror images, or inverse functions, and they also, and pretty much what that means is the domain and range switch, so the x and y switch. And we'll talk more about that in a future video, but it's really important because it allows us to define inverse functions, and it also allows us to, and with those inverse functions, it allows us to define more functions to eventually find derivatives and integrals to hide underneath to have in our utility modes for the mathematics. With that being said, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.